the cannon! We're giving you something away. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Tonight, we're gonna be doing a spring over on the front axle of my CJ and mounting some Zeus Titan lights on the Titan.
And as always, we got the fire. All right, Joe, what you got up here?
All right, I am unpacking some of the, oh look, there's the hardware. The hardware and the mount for our Zeus Titan, dual color Titan lights.
So awesome, you're putting Titans on your Titan.
Titans on the Titan.
So we're gonna be replacing these guys. It's an older set of lights. They're good, but these are better. And they're dual color too, so we're gonna mount these up, do some quick wiring, show you that, and then like I said on the CJ, we're gonna be moving the springs from down there to up there. I got one.
Cool guys don't look at explosions. They blow things up and then walk away.
All right, so we got to let it bolt soak in PP Blaster. It is jammed in there pretty good. So we're gonna jump over to the Titan, start working on the lights. What's going on?
So I forgot that we've already spliced these one time because we're on our third set of lights now.
Keep changing them, latest and greatest.
And I decided not to put a third junction on this wire, so we're gonna cut it right behind the last one.
Okay. So all we gotta do is wire it in, bolt them up, and that's it.
That's it.
Yay.
Should be a quick job.
Okay, so we got the lights mounted up here. Had to get all the hardware together, and I think it looks good. They fit the, I think they fit well. They're gonna be bright though. It's gonna be crazy bright. So now we got the old wiring cut out. We're going to use a Zeus lighting dual wiring harness. Pop that thing out and see it. Why are we using this one?
Well, because the wiring harness I had in there was set up for some other lights that don't have the dual feature and aren't gonna work.
And this has what?
This has the ability to do two different features, like the amber and the white on those lights.
So,
right there.
One button, two buttons, one relay, two relay. So this should be pretty easy. So let's get this thing ran.
Sounds good.
We gotta get the wire from there
so
through
what
there.
I want to do, does this
somewhere in here. What's going on down there?
Pop that right there. Well, I was gonna try to use the old wire, but unfortunately, the way it's tucked up in there, I don't have a way to get a drill bit to drill the hole bigger, and that's gonna be too big to go through. So what I'm gonna do is just pull this back through, separate the two pieces, and shove the harness through that way.
Okay, so I've got the front side of the lights wired now. Joe's about finished with the inside. And we went ahead and, because this wiring harness had a ground in it, we grounded through that. So everything will be on one. And then we use spades, so this is removable here if it ever needs to come off or anything like that. And then the other thing we're gonna do, now that we have it all together, is to keep these from pulling out, we'll actually fold this back and create kind of an S here. Then we're going to put a piece of electrical tape here, so then the wire can't pull out. There's many ways you can do this, but this is a real simple way that you can protect the connection and keep it from pulling out. And then it'll also hold these together better for when it's bouncing around or getting jarred. Oh, I found a fun little problem that Joe's not going to like. We're going to have to mitigate this sometime. Watch this. And they just keep going. We're gonna have to come in here with some kind of a gusset to keep that from happening, because that's gonna be obnoxious really fast.
Just my luck, we had a butt splice that did not connect. So I'm gonna have to pull them back.
Get to it?
Thankfully, I don't gotta pull it back real far. No, I can't get to it, but I can pull it back without pulling them all the way out this time.
Oh, just a gray one.
And they're all looped together. They're tied together.
Checking in on Daniel. What's going on?
Fixing all your mess.
So there was definitely something wrong with the splices. These are some tiny little wires here.
They are.
And electrical is not my forte. So Daniel is going to redo them and see if we can't figure out if it was just one of my splices or if there's something else going on. You're moving the seat again.
Ah!
It's attacking you.
Trying to squish me. I think I figured out the problem.
What's the problem?
You busted the switch.
Busted the switch.
So now we have boop,
That is bright.
amber, and white.
Woo! Those are bright.
We have strobe. Woo! Okay. I hate electrical, but I always end up having to do it. So when we were hooking it up, Joe could not get the connector through the firewall, so he spliced it, and that created a problem with the switch. When he hooked it back up, sparked, broke the switch. What we did,
That happens.
yeah, it does happen. Not afraid to admit our faults. So what I did is we had a 3-position switch, just cut it all out, and rewired the switch portion of it. So now, yep, ow, oop, about fell over. So this is what we got now. We got a 3-position switch. Up that way, and that way. Works great. Boom, boom. You ready to get outside and go test these?
Why don't we go test these outside?
So we found the new problem. I don't know what we did, but this thing now
Is there a door
does
open?
not want to shift.
No.
Is this your headlights? Those are headlights. Turn left.
Huh?
Okay, so this is the LED headlights. Let's
low
see.
beam.
That's low beam? Do high beam?
That's typing.
There you go. Oof, that. Now, right there. Let's aim them. Now, let's see where these big lights are shining. Let's go.
Maybe a little low.
That's very low. They gotta come out.
Yeah. We can see better with the amber.
Turn your headlights on. So that's just the pod lights now.
Yeah.
They definitely gotta come up. Ah! There we go. Got them aimed a little better now. Nice beam. Gives a good spread. Almost 180 degrees. Kind of see. What's wrong?
I have no heater.
Why don't you have a heater?
I don't know. This is
we blew a
really
fuse.
weird. I think we blew a fuse. Should be a quick job. It is dark. Here, let's just drive it. Did you move them up?
Yeah, a little bit. You can see now.
Yuppers.
Looks good.
Alright. Should we go back up there and figure the rest of this out?
Yeah, let's go around the front.
Go front?
Okay. Flip the amber. Looks good.
There's that bounciness we have to fix.
You know, it's
not bad.
actually not as noticeable as I thought it would be.
Also not moving very fast. I'm sure if we get some bumps it'll...
Oh, probably. So in installing the lights, I think we may have blown a fuse, and that could be potentially part of... Actually, I really don't know how we would have blown a fuse. We're not attached to anything. But we're going to check the fuse box anyways.
2 hours later.
So, what's going on?
I don't have a clue. Can't figure out if we blew a fuse or cut the wrong wire, but I have a feeling it's a fuse or something random like that.
What'd you do? So, it will not come out of park based on the brake switch. It will manually. And the heater doesn't work. Any
Yeah,
climate
very
control.
unrelated thing.
Well, the CJ was kind of a bust tonight. Yeah, we took like 2 bolts off. And so we decided to get the lights installed on the Titan. And now we have a problem. Oh no, I can see it back there. Looks so sad. Which is sadder, Joe or the truck? We're going to keep digging and see what we can find out. Yeah.
Look at this. I want to show you guys this. Yes, you see this?
Did you fix it?
Look at this.
Did you fix it?
See that right there? This is Nissan electronic parts.
That was the fuse that blew?
That was the fuse that blew.
How did the fuse blow?
That's a good question, but guess what? My truck works and I'm going home.
You have heat?
I have heat.
Does it shift now?
It shifts.
Holy crap. That was the weirdest thing in the world. Did the lights come on?
I don't know. I can't read.
Tell me if the fuse blows.
No. Fuse, no blow.
All right, so it is late now, and Joe's truck works the way it's supposed to. Yay! And, hey, yeah, fuses.
Have a pack.
Unfortunately, tonight didn't go as planned, but hey, that's life. Things happen. You know, sometimes things just don't work, and sometimes you blow a fuse and waste 2 hours trying to figure it out.
Yeah. 2 hours about right.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah, so we'll get back on the CJ later, but the Titan has the new Titan lights. Check them out on OlympusOffroad.com, link in the description. Awesome lights. And yeah, so we're going to get out of here because it's late. What do you think, a Waffle House?
It's cold at this point? Sure.
Oh, and make sure to subscribe, because guess what? We're giving you something away. Hold on. Boom. These are the lights we pulled off Joe's truck. They are Zeus lighting, square headlights. They're a 4x4. These are 6x6. They work great still. So we figured, hey, maybe somebody can use them. So comment below why you think we should give them to you. And guess what? I'm just going to pick somebody randomly to give them to, and I'm going to ship them to your door because they're awesome lights. But we just wanted something different for Joe's truck. So make sure to subscribe or give us a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Leave us a comment in the description if you want the lights. We'll see you next time.
Should be a quick job.